How to contact Spirit Airlines customer support. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Spirit Airlines customer support. So just follow me as I show you how to do so in this tutorial. So I must let you know that if you have any questions of how to do some things on Spirit Airlines, or you have some complaints to make, you can always contact the customer care or customer support. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have an account to Spirit Airlines already. Once you have an account, go ahead and log in into your account. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought automatically to the home page as you can see on my screen. And then once you're on this home page, the next thing for you to do is go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons on the page such as the free spirit deals, contact us, then your profile icon, and then your profile name. The next for you to do is to click on the contact us option. All right, once you click on the contact us option, you'll be taken to another page where you can now contact the customer support. This is basically the customer support of Spirit Airlines, and on this page there are several options of how you can contact them and ask them questions. Now they follow the various ways is through WhatsApp or SMS, or then you can just send a feedback to their email, or better still, you can just chat with them online by clicking on the Let's Chat button. Once you click on the Let's Chat button by the right side of the screen, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'd see the Spirit Chat service, and in this page, you can now chat freely and ask your questions, ask the virtual agent your questions. And on this page, you will get answers to all of your questions, and then you'll be redirected on what to do. This is basically how you can contact customer support on Spirit Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.